Right, guys, this is a 3-marker on pilot studies. It is question 13 from the Paper 2 2018 series. The question is nice and straightforward. You're given a little stem about a study, and then your question is, what is meant by a pilot study, and explain one possible reason why the psychologist decided to conduct a pilot study for this investigation. Okay, and that bit is really, really important because you have to refer back to the stem. Okay, you have 2 application marks in this, okay, and you won't get those application marks if you don't apply it to the study above. Okay, so the 3-mark breakdown here is 1 mark for a correct, clear, and coherent definition of what a pilot study is, and then 2 marks for a clear and elaborated reason for why the psychologist decided to conduct a pilot study in this investigation. Okay, but like I said, if you don't talk about this investigation, if you just give a generic reason for conducting a pilot study, then you won't get the marks. Okay, also, please be aware that it does quite clearly say explain one reason. So if you talk about more than one, chances are the examiner isn't going to credit both of them. They're just going to credit one of the 2. Okay, so give the stem a quick read and then we'll move on to the model answer. Obviously, if you want to have a go yourself, then pause the video and have a look. Okay, so here is my answer. So my first mark is a pilot study is a small-scale trial run of a study conducted before the main research. Okay, so there is my first mark. And then I've got to do my application marks. So the psychologist might have conducted a pilot study to identify potential issues with the interview questions. Okay, that's one reason for doing it. And now I've got to elaborate on that. So ensuring they accurately capture details about dream themes and social interactions before the full study. Okay, so have a look at the mark scheme. It's up on the screen for you now. You can see there are a couple of reasons there that you could have talked about. There are other possible reasons as well. So, you have to kind of use what you've been taught. But like I said, the important thing is that you are making it relevant to the STEM. Okay, so provided you are doing that, you will get your 3 marks. Just make sure that you've identified a reason for doing it and you've elaborated on that reason. Okay. Hope that makes sense. Thank you very much for watching.